750 kVA three-phase isolation transformer from Larson Electronics is powerful, reliable, and designed with the environment in mind. This isolation transformer is configured with an input voltage of 480 volt delta three-phase AC on the primary side and an output voltage of 575 Y 332 Y neutral three-phase AC on the secondary side. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications, this transformer provides increased reliability and protection against critical equipment failures. Featuring robust construction, this unit's cores are manufactured with non-aging cold-rolled silicon steel laminations using state-of-the-art technology. This isolation transformer is designed for distribution loads and potential seismic activity. The standard NEMA Type 3R enclosure makes this unit suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications and is designed to be floor-mounted. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.